Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. As you all know, I love cereal, and I've done a ton of cereal reviews on this channel. But I think that this may be my favorite new brand, ratio keto-friendly brand. This is the coconut almond granola. 10 grams of total fat, 2 grams of net carbs, 8 grams of protein, which as a low carb, high fat, low carb. Anyway, as the people that like fat and hate carbs, it's not as high in fat as I would like, but the net is pretty good. And they do this much like the other ones. Again, sorry about the glasses. Total carbs in this is only 7 grams per serving. Now, remember the serving sizes are everything. This is saying it's only 1/4 of a cup of the serving size, which is ridiculous. There's no way I'm only going to eat that. So when you do the math on that, from that perspective, these numbers are going to be a little bit misleading, right? So ratios are what's important. So we got 7 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugar alcohol. So you do that math, and that's 2 grams net because they're using sugar alcohols. Don't necessarily like that they don't use allulose because that is now pretty much my favorite sweetener. But as it sits, the ingredients are almonds. Again, the soy protein, which sucks because I really wish they'd figure out a way to do this without soy. Dried coconut, erythritol, coconut oil, whey protein isolate, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and then down through the stevia and whatnot. So anyway, with that, let's give this thing a shot. I haven't tried this flavor yet. It's been really hard to find this stuff in the store. We found it one time, I bought a box of it, and that's partly why we couldn't find it the second time we were looking for boxes. Oh yeah. The other thing is, when I'm eating cereal, I've got water in here. I normally pour in just a bit, maybe a tablespoon or so of heavy cream to give it that like kind of milky effect. Some of it may just be, a lot of it is mental, who knows. But I'm going to go ahead and probably put in more closer to a 1/2 cup because that's more reasonable to me. So anyway, so this would be about 300 calories-ish, plus a little bit for the cream. Now, one of the things I will say about these is this stuff definitely stays crunchier than a lot of your, soggy milks or soggy cereals, which for me, not necessarily a good thing. I love me some soggy milk or soggy cereal. Sorry. So good. I don't know how they do it, man. I desperately wish that they didn't have soy in here, because this is absolutely a perfect 10, but I have to deduct for the soy. What do you say? Man. I've said before that almonds are like really high on my list. When you combine almonds with coconut, it's all over, man. Yeah. If you want to buy some cereal and you can find this, and you're a low carb person like me, you absolutely cannot go wrong with this stuff. It is fantastic. My recommendation would be, though, do not, please for the love of God, do not fill up a bowl with this and then expect that you're going to be able to eat it all. I'm going to eat this, and then I'm going to wait a little bit, and more than likely, I will be just fine. This stuff is so filling in comparison to what you would normally get out of some of the fluffy, puffy, extruded cereals. Do yourself a favor and do not try to overeat this, because you do not need to. So anyway, this is great stuff. Highly recommended. 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, all that. Buy some. You will not regret it. This is not financial advice. Anyway, with that, thanks for watching. Appreciate everyone. Have a great day.